Good day, everyone. I am Divine Grace M. Montesilio, a second year BSBA Financial Management student. For this subject, the contemporary world, I expect to learn more about the different issues and changes happening around the world. I also hope that this subject will help me understand how these global events affect our daily lives, our country, and even my future career. For me, the contemporary world is learning what is happening around the world and understanding how those events affect our lives. It helps us see that we are part of a bigger world and the things happening in other countries may also influence our lives. One global trend that interests me is the artificial intelligence, or what we have commonly known as AI. And I chose this because I believe AI is becoming a part of our daily lives and it continues to grow and develop rapidly. I also became curious about hearing the initiatives called Paxilica, which shows how countries are preparing for the rapid growth of AI and the advanced technologies. However, this also raises questions or concerns about the resources needed to support this technology and its possible effects on society and the environment. Globalization has influenced my life in different ways, especially as a student. It has made my life easier to access information and communicate with people even if they are far away. It also allows us to see what is happening in other country through social media and internet. As a financial management student, I believe that globalization will be helpful for me in the future because businesses today are more connected and having a knowledge about global trends can open more opportunities and will help me prepare myself for the workplace.